Hi, my name is Jared Martin. Today I'm going to share with you my Capstone project. I call this application mini projects. This was created in a 10-day sprint. Some of the languages and technologies used are JavaScript, React, Node.js, JSON, Python, and Django. I created this project because everyone needs a little help with project management or task management sometimes. And honestly, I thought it would be a fun idea to work with, and it was. A little bit about myself. I am a Marine Corps veteran. I love programming. I find it very rewarding. I find it challenging, technical, and I love the team-based aspect. I thrive in those kind of situations. I came into this with little to no experience, and I'm pretty proud of what I created, and I'm happy to share it with you. So let's dive into it. We will go to the sign up page here, and we will create a new user. We'll call this test user 100. Email.com, pass 100, display name, test user 100. We will choose a thumbnail picture for the profile picture. We'll choose this stock image here. We'll sign up. It shows that it's loading, it takes us straight into the dashboard. Here we see our picture here. This is our stock image. It says, hey, test user 100. We click on this image, it takes us to our profile. We can change our username, update the stock image, and update the profile. Alerts us that our profile has been updated, and we see the changed here. Here we're going to log out. We will log back in with authentication to a user I created earlier. So here we're logged in with that user I created earlier, Jared0351. We're on our dashboard. Here on the right-hand side, we can see all users, and these are all the users in the database. For every user logged in, you can see a green dot for that user that's logged in. Again, we can click on our profile and change this if we wanted to. For now, we're going to go back to the dashboard. Here we can filter all our projects by all completed, any completed projects, mine as in the user that is signed in, development tab, design tab, marketing tab, and sales tab. Here we have a project called video project. We can see that it's due by Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. Click on that project. We can see video project by test user 1. Test user 1 created it. We can see the project is due by Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. We can see any text that we put into the project, and we'll create a project here soon. We can see the project is assigned to the video team. Here, if we click on video team, we can see all the team members in this team. We can see Jared0351, test user 2 and 3, and the team leader is on the bottom, test user 1. Every project we have has an in-project message board. So we see 8 minutes ago, test user 1 wrote, do you think we can get this done early? I responded with, yes, we can work on that. We will start recording now. Let's add a new comment. We will say, recording has now started. So any user that enters this project, any of the users assigned to the project, if they enter the project, they can see the comment board and they can post to the comment board. It's an easy way for them to keep in touch with each other if they're having issues, things like that, or just say, hey, good job. So now we're going to go to new team, and let's create a new team. We'll call this test team 100. We can add team members to that team. We'll add test user 10, test user 3, and test user 2. We can create that team. Let's go to new projects. We will call this new project test project 100. Project details, let's say start video recording. We can set the due date. We can set the category to marketing. We can assign it to our creative team, which is test team 100. We add that project. Now we see test project 100 here. If we go into this project, we can see that it was created by Jared0351. Project due date, March 7th. We can see start video recording. We can see the team. Again, we can click on the team. It shows the team leader who created it here on the bottom, which was Jared0351. We can add our own comments to it. We'll say, great job today. You can see that less than a minute ago I wrote this. We can also mark it as complete. So now on the dashboard, if we go to completed, we can filter it by completed projects. Also, if we go into these projects, so let's go into video project. We can go to video team, see our team members here. If we select my teams down here at the bottom, we can select the teams we're a part of. So we're going to select video team. That's the team we were just looking at. We can select a member. Let's see, test user 3. We can give that user kudos. We can say, great job on the project today. Test user 3. We can give kudos to that member. It says up here, kudos added. Now what that means, if we log out, we log back in with test3@test.com, test pass 3. We are now logged in as test user 3. So in your profile, only for members of your team, if you want to say, hey, good job, or reach out to them as a team leader, you can click on your profile and see that someone has given them kudos. So it says, hey, great job on that project today, test user 3. It's a good way to keep in contact with people again and just, a little pat on the back, say, hey, great job. And I think it's just a really nice thing to do. And so that is my project. I'm really happy that I was able to share this with you. If you have any questions, comments, or just want to reach out, feel free to. My email is jaredmartin0351@gmail.com. That's JAREDMARTIN0351. Thank you for coming and viewing my video. I appreciate it and hope to hear from you soon.